All right, sharp left turn coming up. Okay, did one of our buddies not slow it down enough? Or did they fail to navigate the corner? Whoa, he got ejected. It had to have been a high side. He was at least like 8 to 10 feet high in the air. That's considered a fatal fall. You can die from that kind of a fall, especially if you land on your neck. With a motorcycle accident, you never know. You always suspect that there's a spinal injury when you quickly assess the severity. So this is on moto, here we go. Going a little bit crazy in town. Okay, there's that 3-wheeled vehicle that's in the title for MotoStar's video. Interesting vehicle. We're gonna cut in front of them. Let's see what happens here. Bunch of people hanging out, doing some crazy stuff. All right, that's them, that's you. Wear full gear if you're gonna be doing this. Understand the risks and the consequences. If you T-bone a car with a family inside and kill one of their kids, you got to deal with that. They got to deal with it even worse. Ooh, he's gonna wrap himself around a tree. Lost control around that corner. Wrapped himself around the tree. This happens all the time with drunk drivers, and I've seen vehicles split in half and people split in half with it. Not very good to see. Hopefully he's gonna be fine. Now this is definitely gonna be a rescue situation. You're gonna want to rescue that rider. Okay, so ensure your own safety first. That's the big thing here. Now we're gonna check for head injury, spinal cord, shock, or treatment.
Damn.
All right, let's see what happens. So it completely. Oh, he got out. Good.
Don't move him. Don't move him.
So he's on the ground, not doing too well. Possible spinal injuries, cervical spine, and then thoracic is typical.
Man.
How bad is it? So there was a passenger. So is there any compartment intrusion, which means that the compartment where he was sitting in basically collapsed on him? That's going to cause a lot of forces into your organs. Yeah, because you have to realize it goes through you. The force goes through you into your organs. You have shearing that can happen with your body.
Fire came off. Look at this.
Okay, so it's just the back end. So it didn't wrap around the actual compartment that the people were in. It wrapped around this part. So they got extremely lucky. That amount of damage, look at the tree didn't move. That amount of damage to that rear end just split it off. Imagine hitting the side of the door, and now you're wrapped around there in the door, so now the person is stuck.
Oh, man.
That's the stuff I see all the time because it's usually a car and a lot of drunk kids, a lot of teenagers drunk doing that, and they usually have their friends in the back seats and their friend in the front seat. One gets ejected, the other two get smashed, the driver survives typically.
Look at the whole axle broke off.
It's crazy. So this is going to be a trauma incident. This is definitely a trauma incident. Remain calm, ensure your own safety, stop major bleeds, quickly assess. Okay? So right now they're doing an assessment. They're talking to him.
Don't move. Don't move.
They need to keep him still, keep him in line.
The same road that the car.
We're already on the next one.
Right? We didn't turn yet or anything, did we?
R-Bond 2 wheels.
This is still
Got a little accent over here. Oh, got a little pucker factor. Hit a little bit of debris or hit a rock and jolted him.
Lost it.
You notice when Maxris did it, he fell down because of the amount of lean and speed. But when you're going normal speeds, you possibly won't crash because the amount of factors involved. Okay, it wasn't a rock, it was debris, but still, same thing. Okay, his buddy was going too fast. I don't know. How else am I going to make fun of Maxris?
Right, hang on.
One second. How else am I going to make fun of him?
Hey.
Eight motorcycles last year. I get it, yeah. Okay. He's just going to keep doing it. So I don't have to say anything. Okay, cool.
Overtake,
Alright, here we go.
turn and not keeping the right distance forced one of these bikers to brake hard.
Oh, we're acting like idiots here. Definitely acting like idiots. You're not turning at all. And we crashed. So it's pretty simple to figure this one out. Look far ahead. Once again, adjust your speed. Throttle control needs to be calm and maintained throughout the turn because you're slowing down before the turn. Relax. Okay. It looks like a little panic and look straight, target fixated, jerked a little bit here. And then you got to keep looking and finding that exit. Pretty simple. So where'd you come from? I don't know. You're in the blind spot. Big open lane. That lane had one vehicle. They want to just move into that lane. It's Tetris, everybody. You find that open spot. Whoa!